Mirabai Chanu won which medal at the 2020 Tokyo Games in the women's 49 kg category? Answer: silver. The Indian Navy, along with which navy participated in a 2-day bilateral passage exercise, PASSEX? Answer: UK. Which state became the first court in the country to formally start live streaming of proceedings? Answer: Gujarat. Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has overhauled rules for extending what amount of loans to directors of other banks and relatives of directors? Answer: rupees 5 crore. Border Roads Organization Director General virtually conducted the last blast of escape tube the under construction Sela Tunnel in which state? Answer: Arunachal Pradesh. Who was named advisor to Global Board of US-India Business Council? Answer: Kenneth Juster. Bal Gangadhar Tilak's Jayanti was celebrated on which date? Answer: July 23. Bhagirathi Amma, the oldest woman in India to take the equivalency exams, belongs to which state? Answer: Kerala. Who officially opened 32nd Summer Olympic Games in Tokyo? Answer: Emperor Naruhito. Indian Olympic Association will give what amount to the gold winners at Tokyo? Answer: rupees 75 lakh. Indian Navy's Vice Admiral Binay Badhwar receives Alexander Dalrymple Award from which country? Answer: UK. Which country is working to develop a social media platform named Jogajog? Answer: Bangladesh. The Indian Olympic Association has roped in which group as a sponsor for the Indian contingent at the ongoing Tokyo Games? Answer: Adani Group. How much population above 6 years found to have COVID antibodies in 4th National Sero Survey? Answer: 67.6%. Multilink will begin its strategic partnership with which payments bank to build agent points across India? Answer: NSDL Payment Bank. The Central Board of Direct Taxes observed The 16th first income tax day on which date? Answer July 24. Which one has launched the first technology innovation hub to find cybersecurity solutions for anti-drone technologies? Answer IITK. The Chief Minister of which state has laid the foundation stone of a bamboo industrial park at Mandardisa village, Dima Hasao? Answer Assam. For the first time, which state will create a digital database in India that covers migrant workers employed in various industries across the state? Answer Tamil Nadu. Which city has been added to the UNESCO list of World Heritage Sites? Answer Dholavira. Which country has hosted a high-level international conference titled Central and South Asia Regional Connectivity Challenges and Opportunities? Answer Uzbekistan. Which country's President Kais Saied sacked PM Hichem Mechichi? Answer Tunisia. The International Day for the Conservation of the Mangrove Ecosystem is celebrated annually on which date? Answer July 26. Paseo del Prado and Buen Retiro Park, which has been added to UNESCO's World Heritage List, belongs to which country? Answer Spain. Which country has become the first one in the world to get approval for the commercial production of genetically modified golden rice? Answer Philippines. The combat mission by the United States end in which country by the end of the year? Answer Iraq. Which port has become the first green SEZ? Answer Kandla. Indian Navy is participating in which exercise on the east coast of Africa from July 26 to August 6? Answer Cutlass Express. Odisha's which city has become the first city in the country to have a drink from the tap project? Answer Puri. Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurated the much awaited Greater Sohra water supply scheme in which state? Answer Meghalaya. Which country has released the report 2021 investment climate statements? India, highlighting that India is a challenging place to do business. Answer: USA. Basavaraj Somappa Bommai has become the 23rd Chief Minister of which state? Answer: Karnataka. World Hepatitis Day is observed on which date? Answer: July 28. The annual meeting of the Defense Ministers of Shanghai Cooperation Organization (SCO) member states is in which country? Answer: Tajikistan. Nandu Natekar, who passed away recently, belongs to which sports? Answer: Badminton. World Nature Conservation Day is observed on which date? Answer: July 28. Najib Mikati has become the new Prime Minister of which country? Answer: Lebanon. Union Minister for Women and Child Development Srimati Smriti Zubin Irani inaugurated the helpline number 7827170170 for whose help? Answer: Women. Momiji Nishia, who became one of the youngest individual Olympic champions, belongs to which country? Answer: Japan. Which one is the Indo-Russia joint military exercise? Answer: Indra. International Day of Friendship is observed globally on which date? Answer: July 30. Who has won the National Women Online Chess title? Answer: Bantika Agrawal. Health Ministry announces how much quota for OBCS in All India quota AIQ for UG, PG medical dental courses. Answer: 27. National Gallery of which country will return 14 artworks to India including Chola idols? Answer: Australia. United Nations observes which day as World Day Against Trafficking in Persons? Answer July 30. Mike Hendrick, who passes away recently, is a player from which country? Answer England. Who has appointed as the Chief Executive Officer CEO for India and Managing Director Market Development for Asia? Answer Ramesh Nair. Foreign Minister of which country has won the presidency of the 76th session of the United Nations General Assembly UNGA? Answer Maldives. Who won the 2021 Maharashtra Bhushan Puraskar given by the Maharashtra government? Answer Asha Bhosle. Who has been crowned Miss India USA 2021 at the beauty pageant? Answer Vaidehi Dongre. The first Indian goods train on the restored Chilhati Haldwari rail route between India and which country will leave the Alipurdar section of India on July 31, 2021? Answer Bangladesh. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, India's billionaire investor, has announced to launch which new airline? Answer Akash Air.